What up, y'all? This is Chico here with the team AK Integrated. We over here at Drift Nevada, Drifters of December, for 2 days up in West Virginia. Basically 400 drivers this year around. Started with 100 like about a few years back, and now we're growing up to almost 400 drivers now.
How are we feeling? Are you excited? Woo! It's cold! Sir!
Oh, hey!
Can I get 5 minutes of your time?
Sorry, I'm not buying anything.
Please, sir, let me do your taxes.
It's hard. Reese kills me when we go out and do that shit on the road.
Just verifying the tune is good. That's pretty decent.
He was like, nah, bro.
I think it's okay. Oh, let's go to Maine and Jefferson. I've never been there. But I want to try it out. I'll lower the tire pressure to 18.
I'm not gonna lie to you, that just scared the fuck out of me. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, that scared the fuck out of me. It felt so smooth. like these tires didn't have grip. I was like, oh my god, please don't. But I knew you had it. I was like, fuck, I don't even want to record. Fuck that. Hell no.
Chat. Oh, my bad. How was today?
It was great.
Cold?
Took the GoPro off?
It was cold. It wasn't bad though. I enjoyed it. It was fun.
I'm hungry now. I didn't
Me too, I'm hungry too. The car made it in one piece.
One piece!
Yeah! She
Took a beating!
did. She actually did good though.
So what we need to do tomorrow, I think, I'm gonna cut the rod that's pushing the brake caliper in. Oh, I'm sorry, the brake master cylinder in, because it's overextending. What's happening is with the brake switch right in place, the pedal won't come back, and it locked up all four caliper. We're barely on it. So as soon as I bend it a little bit, and all caliper got released.
It was like exposed.
Yeah, I need to cut that rod, make it shorter even more, and be good.
How'd it run though? Like, this is the first kind of, okay, we can't really.
It feels good, but I feel like I have to keep releasing the gas because it's just too much power. That I'm driving like, I need to just like Micah says, slip the clutch. And then kind of slip the clutch a little bit.
Because you know we're kind of getting on the mud area a little bit.
Yeah, like you can feel the, see, now she can feel it. Before she don't know the difference. Now she feel like, oh, the car's going backward, meaning that not getting.
No, because I drove it down the street and it's already like too torquey.
It's crazy, but you can feel in a high RPM just like doing that instead of like this one's like there you go. There you go. Where did you put it, Chico?
Right there, look.
Oh, I need another bolt.
So
then.
that way it doesn't slide down.
I need another bolt then.
How is the S14?
It's good. Basically still learning it. We have problems with the hydro brake locking up. Basically, I don't know what's going on, but it's binding against metal to metal.
Basically, he didn't use it, but it
Yeah, I
locked
didn't
up.
use it at all. Let me say that I did not use it.
What's that face?
Casey used it and screwed it up. Not me. Let that be on camera.
Is it fast? Is it
Fast as it's fast, but after getting in this car,
This is
that feels slow.
torquey though, right? Like they're
Yeah,
almost making
this
they're
is a
making the
crazy
same
torque.
power.
Yeah.
A little bit, Brent.
It's a different feel.
Yeah, what do
It's,
you think about that?
Yo, nah, it's sketchy. Sketchy.
Why? Why is it sketchy?
Because I'm so used to Casey driving.
You drive a 800 horsepower.
It's different when you're sideways.
That's
It's
true.
different.
How'd the LS do?
Did alright, minus having to empty my catch can every 2 laps. I need a bigger catch can really bad. So Casey has a task when he gets back. He's gonna build me a catch can.
That's what you did.
How's your day?
It went well. I was the whole morning today. I had an issue with the brakes. I think the rods was a little too long, so me and Chico kind of messed with it. And all 4 caliper was actually locking out. That was the issue. It was like locking out pretty bad. But figured that out. And then the other issue was the steering. It's like, he didn't believe me. He said it was like, nah, man, whatever. And I said, drive it. He drove the car, made a turn. It stayed that way. I said, when you turn, you make a U-turn. We were like thinking it was the right front the whole time. Yeah, we just bent we took the brake switch off, bent it a little bit so it extend out. I think the rod is too long. But yeah, the S14, handbrake is messed up, keep breaking up. I got the tune, I just can't load it. So tomorrow we can try to do that. And my drive.
It's the last event for the S14 anyway, so.
Yeah, we're taking the car apart, putting in another shell that has a cage. So that honestly, I like here at DOD. The problem is if you can't tandem, right? If me and him, if I'm following you with your car, I think it'd be fun compared to just driving one by one. No, they won't let me without a cage. But I think I like going DOD, except that it'd be better if we're following each other.
Full livery on the car.
I'm sponsored by Betsy.
How was your day?
My day was great. Old trusty 1J. Didn't skip a beat. Overheats, every 3 laps. Normal. JZ things. Tested a new tire out, Zek Novas. Pretty good. Way more grip than, should I name it, Accelera GDs. And I don't know, I did like 10 laps on one pair, 10 laps on the other, and they're at like 3/4 tread still. So I got plenty of tires for tomorrow. I went off course once. Oh, I tried Jefferson. I've never been on Jefferson. And then tomorrow we're gonna try, what is that, Main course. I've never done that. But this is, how many times have we been to DOD? This has gotta be like.
So
We've been here since what, 2016?
but
Going on 10 years now?
15 because I didn't have the car you did. And then
10 years ago, because I had the SC.
2016 with the 323 no swap, and then December I already had an LS right away, but I cannot drive then. I can't drive right now. I don't know what I'm talking about.
LS first or JZ? It was LS first.
LS first. Then after 2016, 2017 we went JZ. But
Then
then
you
I
had like
got,
steering issues.
yeah. And after that, 2018 we didn't go. We didn't go 2018.
We were all broke. And we got rid of our drift cars.
Everybody got rid of the drift car. Mine didn't even hit the track. I built it and then sold it. The Z3 with the S2000
Now we're
swap.
all having
Running
life crises. And we've been doing, what is this? Is this year 3 or year 4? 22?
21, probably.
21? When did we go to Langley?
22.
Yeah, because I bought the silver 4-door the week before DOD.
Yeah.
Yeah, with blown coilovers. I rocked out for a year, then I did the swap in 23.
I started business 2021 of February, and then that December we're drifting
Yeah,
again.
because I bought it it was like a week before.
He didn't even check
We
mine.
went to Charlottesville? Went to Charlottesville, brought it home, went to DOD, then the next, because I remember, the floorboards are rotted out. How much did I pay for that car? $2,000, 330i.
I don't know. 2021, you had the 330 CI 4-door. I was driving Carmina's convertible.
Oh yeah, the infamous first drift.
Yeah, that's when she went, broke the lower control arm.
And she did a jump, but she did it.
My question, did I go sideways?
Up in the air.
Did I do it?
So that was December of 2021. Then 2022, I bought the E46 coupe that he's driving now. And then that summer, I bought Brandon's KA S14 now. I bought Brandon's KA S14. I didn't get to pick it up till... No, I bought it because we were in Disney when I bought it. I know that because I was in Disney. I'm like, hey, Brandon, I'm buying it. And I transferred the money. And I didn't pick it up till August because we went to Langley right after. And then you were like, yo, let me buy the E46. Because I didn't even drive the E46.
I bought the fenders. I bought all the fenders and everything, the big duck. We swapped.
So we went to DOD with the wide body not painted, and I'm driving the S14 with the KBD unpainted. KA. 2022, I remember that. While I'm building the E30.
It was a good day. It's really, really cold. I still have my hand warmers. Everybody drove really good. Nothing happened
No
yet.
major issues.
Yeah. Her car is running. Woo! Peace out, CEO.
Perfect, all parts of the trailer, everything's great. I finally drove the main, and I was so scared. I don't know for some reason, but it all went good.
It's a good weekend. It's a good weekend. All cars made it on the trailer. You know what I'm saying? The driver on the S14 N54.
Yeah, it made me look bad. So
Actually, he made himself look bad. I made him look better.
So my night started with breaking my shifter.
Oh shit, yeah. Right.
Completely
it wasn't good at all.
Then my catch can kept filling up. Then I broke an axle.
Why is the catch can filled up? Next one.
Then I broke an axle. I had a great weekend.
It was good. Everything was good. Everything was good.
What?
The Jay-Z came through again. It only overheats as usual. Did good. Did Maine and Jefferson, which we've been trying to do for I don't know 8 years. We did what 20 laps ish. She said it looked really good. Yeah, all the cars made it on the trailer.
So stay tuned.
How's your first time?
It was good. I had fun.
Tell them who you are.
I'm Michelle, 20 years old, so Dubai. Yeah.
You have fun?
Yeah, so much.
Who you are?
Oh, my name is Jeff. I'm just here to support my crew. Chico killed it. Casey killed it. Other cars, like they said, made it on
Colin
the
did not kill
It
it.
was a good time. College car ripped, like usual. Nothing new about that. Just can't wait to see everything in order once I get my little drift car going and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you.
So this is our yearly tradition.
Hey everybody, y'all probably never seen me before, but I will be out here a lot more. My name is Brandon. I've known Casey and Colin and the crew for about 20 years.
Nice.
Going on about 20, 15 years. So I'm gonna try to be showing up a lot more, being supportive with everybody, and maybe getting involved in things. So it's been a great experience. Everybody's friendly. Everybody's been working together to make this happen. So let's keep this going.
Oh.
3.
So media trained. Oh my god. Okay, this is AK, and we are out